What's wrong, buddy? Huh? Are you hungry? Hey, Grayson, go get it. You gotta work for your food around here, boy. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. What's wrong? Well, drink it. Drink it. All right, Daddy.